Chemtech Solutions is a fictional company, but the problem they face is real. Their business is getting more complex, and they're losing money because they can't make the right decisions fast enough. Chemtech makes high-performance coatings for the automotive industry. Their batch reactors depend on dozens of variables staying in range. When any variable drifts out of range, they can lose control of the reaction and the batch is lost. This is costing Chemtech $30,000 a batch and over $32 million annually across 57 reactors. Now watch what happens when data, models, agents, and decisions are connected into one reasoning system. Quality is falling at the Berlin plant. Batches that should be shipping to customers are failing quality control checks, and this rate is climbing. To figure out what's going wrong, it all starts with the data. Sensor readings, maintenance records, and technical documentation. All this data connects to our reasoning system where parameters are automatically analyzed, identifying what's driving batch anomalies and ultimately what's driving the quality drops. Our reasoning system also uses machine learning to rank variables by impact. Instead of sorting through the data manually, the operations manager, Elena, asks the team of agents what's causing this. The agents diagnose the cause, runaway reactions from cooling system degradation, and Elena doesn't just see the answer, she follows the logic. To improve the detection accuracy over time, Elena asks a process engineer to identify the anomalies in the data. She then asks one of her many agents, in this case a data science agent, to retrain the detection model on this new labeled data. Overall, this reasoning system connects data, machine learning, and agents into a single application that follows the root cause all the way to the decision it takes to fix it. This means fewer lost batches, faster diagnosis, and leadership teams that drive revenue. That's the power of reasoning systems in Dataiku. They're pre-built, domain-specific AI applications that give leaders the clarity and the confidence to solve problems faster. Today we took a look at the manufacturing reasoning system, but we have reasoning systems for supply chain management and financial risk management on the way.